Hello, everybody! And the Mikey. We will quick let him inside. He's crazy! So, today, going to talk about the Green Giant 2004 Silverado. I'm going to try and install my new radio. So, things I need to fix right away. The rust, especially this hole. A few dents and things on the hood. This truck has been used pretty good. The broken door handle that's now missing. The tonneau cover that I need to get on here properly and get new struts for, that's sitting at my uncle's house right now. It needs a good wash job. The fuel lines, which you should have seen in the video before this, but I will link in the description below if you haven't. This door doesn't lock. Hopefully I can fix that, otherwise it's a $150 piece, I think is what I was reading. The thingy here, and on the other door it's missing. My mirrors. This was a brand new mirror, but I was doing donuts and hit a light pole and it snapped all the things, so I'm going to upgrade to tow mirrors. And we come up front. You'll notice this one is a different color. It's because I put in an LED light. It was meant for the fog lights, which are not turning on, so I can figure that out. Then upgrade all these lights to LEDs. And get a new tow hook, because this one's cracked off. And this fucking radio, I will show you. Or it's not going to do it this time. There's like a CD stuck in there, and it grinds and makes all these horrible noises. And I had to buy this thing to interface into the radio, so that I can keep my door chimes and shit, because it's got a stupid Bose radio. Oof! And then I got this. So this should work out. I've got a pretty nice radio sitting in the garage. So we'll see how this goes. And here, you'll notice, probably not, lift this up, there's a giant gaping hole here where all my stuff under here falls out, so I want to fix that. Ah, crap. And I want to build a subwoofer box back here for some little subs. Ugh. And have this for storing shit like my tow straps, my jumper cables, my multimeter, because I'm always using that, and other miscellaneous things such as extra oil and transmission fluid. Now, other things I need to fix. It's a wiring issue. So that will probably wait till summer when I can pull the bed all the way off in the driveway. The check engine light. It's the bank to side to. Passenger side, secondary, oxygen sensor's bad. And the bank to NOx sensor's bad, which that I've heard is fairly common on these trucks. But I just read you have to take off the intake, which I'm not really looking forward to doing. And there's some special kit to make it so that doesn't happen again, so I'm going to buy all of that soon. And then the washer fluid container does not currently hold fluid. It all leaks out because there's a crack, so I'm going to fix that. I want to change all these little bulbs into LEDs. I wish I could fix the lights on this. I'll have to see if I can replace these. And behind here, because when it's dark out, I can't see where my heat settings are. Not that that's a huge deal, but it would be nice. And I want to build some chargers into here, make this a better used space. All right, now to pull this dashboard apart. Wow, that sucks. I was hoping it was going to keep playing. We don't want no stupid demo mode. We want to return. It works. Not the prettiest install. Hold on. Actually, that doesn't look half bad. The surroundy thing was too small to fit the radio, and it's getting late, so I didn't want to deal with that. So I will fix it later. Holy glare. Not focused. Who cares? Focus down here. There we go. Yeah, we'll get this tomorrow.